You're looking at a 2022 Chevy Silverado 1500 LT1 Crew Cab 4x4. This is a low-mileage, one-owner truck. The history report shows recent maintenance, and there are no accidents reported on the history report. It has 17-inch General Grabber brand tires, and they are in good shape. The Chevy runs and drives great. The bed is 5 foot 8 inches. It has a 5.3-liter V8, 8-speed automatic transmission, trailering package, tow package, Z85 Suspension Package for better handling and trailering. Features include upgraded 13.4-inch touchscreen Chevy MyLink infotainment with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Sirius XM satellite radio, Bluetooth, backup and trailering camera, driver's power seat. The front driver and passenger seats are heated. The steering wheel is also heated. Chevy Safety Assist Package, which includes adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, rear cross traffic alert and follow distance indicator, dual zone climate control, single button to roll all windows down, remote start, power release tailgate, keyless entry. If you're looking for a well-cared-for, low-mileage truck with safety and convenience in mind, be sure to check this one out. You won't be disappointed. For more information about this vehicle, or to see our large selection of quality vehicles, go to carfactorymt.com. You can buy with confidence at the Car Factory. We are Montana family-owned and operated for over 2 decades. And our great reviews on Google show that people love doing business with us. Stop by today. 4562 State Ave, Billings, Montana.